Good morning, students. Hope you are learning well at homes. On that day, I told you about types of phrases, and we discussed about the noun phrase in detail. I told you there are three kinds of phrases, and these these are noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. And you know what actually phrase is, but the word phrase says it is a group of words, two or more than two words. If they are there, then that one will become a phrase. uh, so a noun phrase will work as a noun, and I told you that it may work as a subject or as an object. Okay, all the work that noun does, that is done by a noun phrase. And I told you about it, in this example, he expected to reach home early. Then to reach home early is working here as an object, and object may be either noun or pronoun. So this can be used as a noun phrase. So here it is a noun phrase. Like the next example I told you, I like to sing. So sing is a verb, but when we add to before it, then it will become infinitive and it will work as a noun. Now here you can see this, to sing is liked by me. If you change the voice here, then it will become like if you change the voice here, then it will become I like to sing. If you want to make the object of to sing, then to sing is liked by me. So this is what basically this you are making this to sing is a noun phrase. Okay, in the same way, next comes our adjective phrase. And I told you in the beginning that adjective phrase will act as an adjective, means will adjective phrase will work as an adjective. So we must know what is the work of an adjective. So what is the work of an adjective? Every one of us know that adjective tells us about the quality of a noun or pronoun in a sentence. It modifies a noun or a pronoun. So if a group of word, means a phrase, does the same work, means it tells you about something about a noun or a pronoun, then it will work as an adjective phrase. For example, if you see here the example is there, flowers with good fragrance have used for decoration. So flowers comma with good fragrance, with good fragrance, this is a group of word, means it is a phrase. And what is this doing? Flowers with good fragrance, with good fragrance tells you about the flowers. It tells you something about the flowers, means which kind of flowers? The flowers with good fragrance. It is telling you with good fragrance, telling you about the flowers, how flowers they are. Okay, the people with good manners. So with good manners is telling you about the people. Do you understand? So in the same way, so this with good fragrance will work as an adjective phrase, because it is not a single word. If it is a single word, then it is an adjective, but it is a group of words, so it is an adjective phrase, but doing the same work as the adjective does. I think it is clear to you. So in this way, now you can see the another example, Rohan, a boy with courage. A boy with courage, what is this? It is the information about the Rohan. What kind of a boy Rohan is, it is told by this phrase, a boy with courage. So a boy with courage is telling us something about Rohan. So this group of words, this phrase is an adjective phrase. So in the same way, we can easily solve this exercise. And also you need to find out that about whom this adjective is telling, modifying, about whom it is talking. For example, if you see the girl in the pink dress, in the pink dress is telling you about the girl. So it is circled here because in the pink dress, this is the this in the pink dress, this is an adjective, this is an adjective phrase, and it is telling us about the girl. So this girl is circled. In the same way, if you see the next one, the watchman on the duty that day. So on the duty that day is telling you about what? On the duty that day. This is telling you about the watchman. So watchman would be circled, and on the duty, this is what? This should be underlined, because this is a phrase, on the duty that day, and this should be circled. I hope it is clear to you. In this way, you can easily solve these exercises related to adjective phrase. Now if I say to you about adverb phrase, so basically what an adverb phrase will do? An adverb phrase will do the work of an adverb. And what is the work of an adverb? You know pretty well. What is the work of an adverb? An adverb, first of all, it tells about the quality of a verb, because the word it is verb, add something to the meaning of a verb. But it is not only telling you about the meaning of a verb, it can also tell you about something about an adjective or another adverb. So adverb covers a broad area. It can modify a verb. It primarily modify a verb, but it can also modify an adjective or another adverb. The same work will be done by adjective phrase. If in a sentence a group of word will be phrase. If a group of word does the work of adverb, then it will become adverb phrase. And what work? You must be knowing the work. What kind of work an adverb do? What kind of work an adverb does in a sentence? So this you need to keep in mind, that what is the work of an adverb? It modifies a verb. It tells more about a verb. Like for example, if you see here, this is an example. Jane walked on the stage very gracefully. Walked. Here this very gracefully tells you how how Jane walked. It is not telling you about Jane. It is telling you about how Jane walked. So it is telling you something about the verb. So it is an adverb. If it tells about the Jane, then it will become an adjective, but it is telling you about the verb. So it is an adverb. It can also tell you about an adjective. It can also tell you about another adverb. So I hope it is clear to you. So in this way, you need to see if a group of words is telling you about the something more about the verb, adjective or another adverb, it will work as an adverb phrase. I hope it is clear to you. The more kind of adverb, the more will be the adverb phrase. Like if there is an adverb of manner, this is adverb phrase of manner. Adverb of place, adverb phrase of place. Adverb of time, adverb phrase of time. So in this way, you can easily solve this exercise, and you can also say that this is an adverb phrase of manner or place or time. This you can also find out. For example, if an adverb says, she smiled in a warm manner. So whether this is an adverb phrase. It is telling information about a smile. Smile is a verb. Then which which kind of adverb phrase it is. So it is an adverb of manner, adverb phrase of manner. Then same way adverb phrase of place, in every possible place. So adverb phrase of place. Flowers emit fragrance during the daytime. It is the adverb phrase of time. So simply you can easily find out that which kind of adverb it is. So in this way, I hope now phrases and the kinds are clear to you. If any doubt, you can ask me in the doubt session. Thank you.